Hello guys, this is Ashwin Verma. This is day one of Navratri New Me, and today's date is 13th April 2021, and the time is right now is about to turn 6 p.m. And it's only 5 minutes left, and I didn't document it the entire day. Means the whole day won't, because I got this idea of documenting Navratri in 9 days of me transforming myself, my mindset, and what I do. And because the first I couldn't resist myself from sleeping in the afternoon, so I just woke up from sleeping. I slept in the afternoon for 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. Uh, First reason that, and I was working on my thing, and yeah, so I got this idea a bit late, not late actually, before 12 noon, I think so. But it's been 6 hours since I got this idea of documenting my Navratri 9 days of me changing myself. So this is day one, Navratri, new me, and it's been quite a good day till now, because I purchased one Amelia plugin for booking appointment, and I'm going to install that on my site, and I will going to you know I will going to uh, experimenting how booking system works, so that I can make a cold call to clients like dentists, lawyers, whether they need a website or not, so that I could earn from there little bit, because I'm not earning. I'm always sleeping, dwelling, pondering, knowing what to do but not executing on the things. So that's who I am right now, and I have to change in these 9 days. I have taken a challenge of Navratri New Me. It means in Navratri days, 9 days, I have to attain the new me, Navratri new me. So yeah, this is day one, and I think so doing not so good. It could have been more good, but as I slept in the afternoon, so that ruined the entire day till now. So this is day one, and I'm gonna be doing some little more stuff on my laptop regarding my sample website, booking system, and client thing, and all those things. So I'll keep on documenting. Bye guys. Bye. Hey guys. Um, right now doing a work on my laptop, and thinking about whether I should say no to my first client or not, because he asked me to do some integration in his website, which is costing me $500-$600, and I'm a newbie in web designer, so I'm little bit getting nervous whether I'm will I be able to integrate all those things in his website. And if I can't do that, then those $500-$600 would go into waste, and that is why I am getting a little bit nervous, because this is my first time, and in the first time I got so much integration need to do. So this is very you know this is very difficult for me, first project, and I'm thinking to say no to my client, that I can't do that and I can't continue with you anymore. But I'm hesitating also, how can I say no and all those things, because I've said no to one project previous, means 4 to 5 to for 3 months back also. I also said no to one project, and this time would be the second time I would say no to any project of his. So that is why I am thinking, or I am getting pretty nervous. And yeah guys, and I'm not getting what to do right now. First, that integration I have to do. Second, I have to test how booking system or appointment system work, and I have to build a site, working site, appointment booking system, so that I could show while pitching that this is what I have done, this is what I have created for you, like doctors or lawyers, because I have no experience. So I'm thinking that I've purchased one plugin Amelia from gplthemeplugin.com in 300 rupees. I'm going to use that, but don't know how to install that, and then that is a zip file. Not getting what to do and just pondering here and there. It's very tough to earn, it's very tough to be the better version of yourself. I have to break all the limits from here, and I have to break all the limits from here too, mind and body. I have to resist myself from not quitting and not sleeping also. Yeah, let's do it. Bye guys. Hello guys, this is day one of Navratri New Me, and I was just researching a lot on the integration that my client asked me to do in his website. I can't share all those integration just because of the privacy, and I didn't know how to integrate all those stuff, because in first project that was huge for me and is huge for me. I don't know, there is a lot of technical things involved in the integration. I'm building a website which is very technical in nature, and I'm not getting how to, you know, how to do anything. I'm not even seeing the next step, how to do and what to do and what to execute on the next step. And on the top of that, the tool I will be using, probably I will be using, that is costing me 100 above $100, and my client has to pay this much amount of dollars, and even then I don't know how to use that tool, because I'm a totally beginner and I'm totally new to this web designing. And in this first project I got so much technical things to handle, and I was about to say no, but I always gave a second thought to myself that if you done it, because at the end of the day everyone has to start from the zero. So this is my zero in my first time, so that is why I have not gone for saying no to my client, and was pretty nervous how to integrate all those things. Was doing a lot of research on YouTube, what are the plugins and tools are available. I got one or two tools, plugins, and I searched about that. I got information about that. I collected information how to use those tools little bit, and then I just had a call with my client where he told me that there is a technical things which he know and I don't know, and he will be providing all the details to me. So let's see how it will go. I'm not sure how I will perform, and will I be able to deliver this website, or at the end of the day I will say no to my client with it. So I can't do it. I don't know what will happen, but keep running, keep taking few small steps, and yeah, Navratri New Me day one is going pretty good. I'm doing a lot of stuff, didn't dwell much, executed on the things. first day was good, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye. Hey guys. Um, I was just, I was just doing my housework, washing utensils and things like that, because I also think while building your career, while building anything in your life, why boys is allow is allowed to focus on their career and not the house wala thing, and only girls need to do house wala things, and you know and also uh, watch their career, or also need to make their career. Why girls have to do all those things? Why boys is not ready to handle the house as well as their career simultaneously? So that is why I'm thinking to also help my mom in his in her work, and side by side build my career, build my things, whatever I am doing or I will do. So I was just washing utensils, and my client few times ago, few minutes, not few, I think so 1 or 2 or 1.5 hours ago, send me a photo. That photo uh, had details of the integration which that I need to integrate in his website. And now I'm thinking how to integrate all those things, how to come up with the option that my client want me to integrate in his website, and how to do all those stuff. I don't know yet what tool I should buy, and if I buy, that would be my first ever case, or that would be my first ever time I would use that tool, and in one go I have to deliver perfect website, and there is no, I think so, refund policy of that tool, so that I could return him his money. So I'm pretty confused. I don't know what to do. And this is day one of Navratri new me, and I've done a lot of things. If I compare myself from the days previous days, I was just dwelling, pondering here and there, and doing nothing. Today I, I did um, quite a few things. And yeah, guys, that was the thing. uh, with this, I will end my day one of Navratri New Me. And so, quick recap. Uh, I worked in the afternoon, and I was searching regarding integration tool for my client website. I researched a lot. I got some tool. I grab gather some knowledge how to use that tool by reading blog, or you know by seeing in screenshot and demo that tool provides. And I talked with client. He sent me the details. Now I'm thinking how to use and what to use to integrate kind of um, feature that my client want. I don't know. And let's see how it will goes, how it will go. And I don't have any idea, but I have to do no matter what. So yeah, guys, I don't know what to do. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Have a good day. This was the day one of Navratri New Me. I hope you like it. Bye.